Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the surfaces right. Clean with isopropyl to remove oils and debris, then pry the sole gently 1/8, 1/4 where it's separating. Once done, roughen both surfaces lightly with 120 grit sandpaper so the adhesive can bond mechanically, not just chemically. Make sure to remove dust after sanding. Use a brush or compressed air. This prepares the shoe to accept glue evenly and prevents trapped particles from causing future lifts. Now apply a flexible urethane or a footwear-specific contact adhesive. These tolerate flex without cracking. Put a thin, even coat on both the sole and the shoe edge. If it's contact glue, wait the manufacturer's open time, usually 5 to 10 minutes, until tacky. Align the sole precisely and press firmly so there's full contact along the gap. Once pressed, clamp with 10 to 20 pounds of pressure. Use sandwich blocks to protect shape and leave undisturbed for 2 to 4. Finish by trimming any excess glue once tack-free. Then apply an edge sealant or flexible acrylic paint to waterproof and cosmetically blend the repair. Make sure to let the bonded area cure fully for 24 to 48 hours before heavy wear. Warmth speeds curing, but avoid direct high heat. If the sole reseparates, re-clean both surfaces thoroughly and repeat with a stronger urethane adhesive or consult a cobbler for resoling. This prevents repeated failures and restores structural integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.